Hello. This is Jack from Prep in China. We help Amazon sellers to consolidate, inspect, prep, and ship. In this video, you will see how we interact with our customers and also with the factory to pick up the products from the factory and ship all the way to Amazon warehouse. So the first step is the customer. So they send us inquiry. For example, so this is our customer. So recently he sent us an inquiry about a 20-feet container from Qingdao to Toronto FBA, and he also have another shipment in the next 2 weeks. Okay, this is the first inquiry, and then so this is our reply. And we talk about how we are doing, and we also need a packing list and invoice from the supplier to know the product information. Basically, we need the pictures. Okay, so then our customer and introduce us with their supplier and to send us the related information. And then, here, and we're also offer help with the supplier if they are not familiar with the Amazon FBA package requirements. And we are very happy to offer help for free to guide them to make the proper packaging. Instead of ship all the products to us, and then we find out the problems and we get them fixed. So that will waste the time and money. Okay, so then, so we are in contact with the supplier, and after we get the products information, and we had a discussion about how to move this shipment, and then we give the quote to our customer, which is 1.5 at that moment. This include inspection and insurance. We're also talking about the terms. Our customer, who is Amazon seller, and they can work with the supplier for X works, EXW instead of FOB, because FOB is normally more expensive, but EXW is cheaper. The cost, the supplier, they don't need to pay the cost from their factory to the port, and including the China customs declaration. So this is what we encourage the Amazon sellers to work with the supplier. So if the supplier, if they're concerned about how to get their tax rebate, so that's not a problem. So they just need to pay about $50 US, and we will declare customs for them, so they can still get the tax rebate. So a good way to work with the supplier is to work them at the EXW, which means factory price. Okay, and so then my customer and confirmed our quote. Does it include the pickup from the factory and then shipped to our warehouse, then to YYZ, which is an Amazon warehouse in Canada. So after the confirmation, and we start to move. So here is officially our customer introduced us to their supplier. And then we talk about the palletize. Actually, and the factory, they don't need to do any palletize. Actually, in China, we don't need to do any palletize. Because if you palletize, it will take up space in a container. We do the floor load in a container to save the shipping cost. But the products will be palletized if it's necessary after it reaches to the destination port. Okay, so then, and we're talking about the shipping labels. And then, so we're talking about the China Customs Declaration. This one I will talk about later, so you will know more details. Okay, so after this, and we continue to move. So here, I think this is the full quotation. A quotation I sent to our customer. So you can see the quotation here, and so this is the This is the box size. This is according to the factory provided. So then according to the box size and the kilos, and we work out the billable kgs, kilos per box, and then we work out the total billable kilos. Then because we charge is by the either by the box actual weight or its dimension weight, so it compares which one is greater, and we charge according to that one. So here, and in order not to give our customers a big surprise in the end, so we already increased the box dimensions by 10%. 10% actually is the minimum. So sometimes it can go to 15% or even 20% if the package, the box is overpacked. So we are trying to give accurate quote at the very beginning. So this is for our customers to have a good idea for their budget. Okay, so this is shipped to the destination warehouse, and this is the factory location. And here is for what service and this quote is on. We offer the fast service, regular service, and slow service. And we can also offer the air, ship by air service, and also rail. For Europe, it's rail. Okay, so this is our service type, and this is our rate. And if there are any surcharge or inland charge, in this case, there's nothing. So that's the total quotation, the total price, and this is the total time. Okay, so normally for our rates, and we do DDP, which means the customer, they don't need to pay any other duty, tax, or fees. And then our rates already include the free inspection and insurance to minimize our customers' risk. And the total days here, so it means after the container is on board and until the container is received by the Amazon warehouse. Okay, so this is the final quotation I sent to my customer, and then that was approved. Okay, so in some cases, and we may need to talk about for a few minutes on phone, just to confirm a few things. And in this case, we also had a phone conversation. Okay, so we had a phone conversation, and after that, so let me see. After that, our customers, they send us the final FBA labels and the SKU list, which they download from I think it's from the Amazon Seller Central. And then we confirm another few things. Okay, so I also need my customer offer me the Amazon reference ID. I need a screenshot. Why I need a screenshot is because sometimes it can be people, a human, when we type and we can make mistakes, we can do typos. So I always ask for a screenshot for the Amazon reference ID. This is for us to set up appointments when our shipment reaches to, for example, here it reaches to Toronto, and we need to set up an appointment with Amazon warehouse. Then we send the shipment in. So without the Amazon reference ID, and we cannot set up the appointments, and that ID has to be correct. So that's why I ask for this screenshot for this Amazon reference ID. Okay, so here and our customer provide the Amazon reference ID and also with the screenshot. So that's a perfect. Actually here, and we already received the products, and we also we weighed the boxes and we measured the boxes and we did inspection, and which I will update later. But see here is for the scale, just to show each box, the weight for each box. This is normally we don't need to send the pictures here, and this will be included in the inspection report. But because unfortunately, when we took pictures at that time, it was not clear enough. So then we just add more clear pictures and send separately by email. So after we receive the products from factory, we do after the inspection. you see here, and we send our customer inspection report. In this inspection report, you see first you can see that how many pieces we inspected and how many boxes we inspected. So for this case, here we listed the problems we found out. So here you see the first problem is, is certain parts of the stools, they don't have any varnish there to protect the products against the moisture. So here is the faulty. We inspect the 15 pieces, and the 15 pieces are with this problem. So here we take the pictures and we show where the problem is, and then we do the cost analysis and the fix solutions. This time it's it's too late. It's too late to fix that because everything is already packed up. It's already finished. We suggest in the future the supplier need to put on varnish on every part of the product surface to make it more endurable for moisture, especially when it's being used in a bathroom. So, okay, this is the first problem. So it's like this. So we listed all the problems we found out. Some are major problems and some are small problems. And we have the problems reported, and we also come up with a solution, and also we have suggestions for the future. So our ultimate goal is to help the customer, help the Amazon sellers to build a strong supply chain. We work together with the factory to make their products and package better and better as we move on. So that's our ultimate goal. So here, and inspection pictures and the videos, and our customers they can download from the two links here. Normally it's one link, but because this product we checked by two people, so we had two links here. So when they click the links, they can download all the pictures, inspection pictures and the videos to view. Okay, so this is the inspection report, and we have for our customer after inspection, and also and we have a packing list. So this is the packing list. The packing list shows the box number and what are inside each box, and what is the kilos for each box, and what's the dimensions for each box. And in the end, so what's the total kilograms, what's the total cubic meters, and what's the total quantity. So with this packing list, and our customers, they can create the FBA shipping labels for us. But in this case, because our customer already have the FBA labels created, so it's anyway, so we need to update with this packing list, because this shows how exactly how much we measured and weighted. So because the final charge, the shipping charge is based on these numbers. So then we have to double confirm. We have to confirm with our customer. Okay, so after the inspection and the packing list is updated, and then we ship the products out. So after the products being shipped, and then we update our customers with a waybill. So on the waybills, our customer can see clear which FBA ID, so which shipment and what service it goes with, and what's the vessel, that's the boat. So what's the vessel number, so they can track it. And then the final delivery is either by courier like UPS or it's by truck. So in this case, it's by truck. So the on board, so when it was on board and when it estimated to arrival at the Amazon warehouse. Okay, so then here is the information for this shipment. So this waybill, it gives the status of the shipment. So the current status is already on board. Okay, so after the products are on board, and so at the same time we send an invoice for our customer. The invoice will show clearly, so what's the total billable kilos, and what's the original location, and what is the destination location, and what is the rate. What is the rate? Here you see the rate is different from the original. We originally quoted. This is because the warehouse destination changed. So first there is YYZ, which means Toronto, but finally, and after our customer get the warehouse, it is I think it's Ottawa. So it's YOW warehouse. So that's a little more expensive than the YYZ warehouse. Okay, so then it's a total number needs to total amount need to be paid. Okay, that then is with our custom bank information. So this is the communication here on the email. But at the same time, we also communicate with our customers on WhatsApp, which is instant messenger. Sometimes it's much better. So here is the same. So we send an email, and in case the email went to our customer's spam folder, and we send him a message on WhatsApp. And also when you send us an email, and you can also send us a message on WhatsApp, just in case the email communication is lost at somewhere. Okay, so then we had each here the same, and a quote we send out, and also let our customer know on the WhatsApp. And then we had a phone call, and then we talk about some details. So here you see this shows clearly. So the products is being picked up. It's picked up from the factory, and it's loaded. This is from the factory. The product is loaded in the truck. And here you can see that it's fully finished load. So it's here. And here we even have a video to show the products are from the factory to us on the way to our warehouse. Okay, so here this video, it shows the products arrive from the factory and arrive at our warehouse to consolidate. So this is the unloading part for our customer for this shipment. And after that, and it's arrived. So this is the products arrive at our warehouse, which is a consolidated point. So this is a shipment arrives. So after that, and we will need to print some labels, and we need to do the inspection. Okay, so I think so here our customer, I think they refer another customer for us, so we just overlook it. So this here, it shows the inspection. So when the products reach us, and we do inspection as soon as we can. Normally it's within the same day. Sometimes it's for the next day. It's up to the different cases. So here, and when we randomly check 10%, 10% of the each SKU. And if there are some problems found out, and we will report to our customer with that inspection report. And after that, and we will also need to work with the factory to fix the problems. So this video, it shows the inspection, how we inspect the products. Okay, so after that, I think it's label. After the products are inspected and all the problems are fixed, this video, it shows the products are fully labeled. You can see here, and we have the logistics label, and we have the FBA label. Because this product is fragile, so we label the red one, the red fragile label. Actually, we put it on each side, 4 sides of the carton, just to prevent the damage as much as possible on the way. The shipment from the factory to us, and then from us to Amazon warehouse is a long way. So we are trying to protect as much as we can. So this means this video shows all the cartons are fully labeled. And then I think then we're going to load the container. So let me see. Okay, so here, so this video shows, and the products are being loaded into the container. Because this product is, as I just said, is fragile. So you see it's loaded into the container. It needs to be put in a certain way, like this side up. So they cannot just put the cartons in the box in another way. So here you can see the boxes. The boxes they are put in the correct way. So this video, it shows and how we load the shipment, load the products into the container. Okay, so after that, then it's the vessel. Then the container is shipped to the port, and then it's put on the vessel. It's put on a boat. So that is the waybill, which we already talked in the email. So that is being put on this boat. Currently, this boat should be somewhere like close to Japan at this point. So it's on the way to Amazon warehouse. Okay, so this is on WhatsApp. So how we interact with our customer. Also at the same time, we have to work with the factory, to pick up the products and to fix the problems, and also help them to do the China custom declaration. So here I'm going to show you how we work with the factory together. Actually, it's a lot of communication. This is a group between us and the and also the factory. So here we talk about how to do the China customs declare, also the commodity inspection, etc. And then we talk about the labels. Do they have the made in China label? Do they have the SKU label clearly? So we confirmed about that, and then we confirmed about the pickup. So then we confirm about some information. It is for the China customs declaration. So here you can see that there's a lot of communications here. So this it shows the products from factory. It's being loaded into the truck, and then it's shipped to us. So that this is it's from the factory. The factory sent us. So here it's like this is talk about the inspection, because we found some problems with the products. Then we need replacements, and we talked with you see here. You see this shows the defects, the product defects. This video. And I think we also have this one. This shows the box. The SKU code is damaged. We need a new box. So when they are sending us the replacements, they can send this box too. Okay. So then I think there's more. Yeah, some more videos to show the defects. And here is another video to show the defects. So this is also a picture to show the defects. Here it means they need to drill once, but by accident they drill this twice. So we report this to the supplier. Then this is another problem, another product's defects. And then we talked about how to fix that problem and how to send the replacement. So in the end, this is all the here. It means these are all the replacements we need them to send us. And then they are very cooperative, and they send us a replacement. And then after that, we send back the defects to them. They will fix it. Okay, so basically, there are a lot of communications for the back and forth. It's for the customs declaration, etc. and etc. So I think I think that's all. So in the end, and we help them successfully declare the China customs. So then they have the related documents for the tax rebate. Okay, so basically, and that's all. That's all. So okay, so I hope you had a clear idea about how we work with our customer and also the factory to ship the products all the way from the factory then to Amazon warehouse, including inspection and fixing the problems. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe us, and I will see you soon. Bye.